Hey cooks, in the summertime, the burger reigns supreme. Today, we're gonna make my favorite California turkey burger. We're gonna do it on the Cuisinart Griddler. You can make this on the grill. It's a little humid outside and kind of rainy, so we're gonna make it inside today on our little grill. It's gonna be packed full with bacon and avocado and lettuce and tomato and all kinds of the great things that make a turkey burger awesome. So join me as we make my favorite California turkey burger. Okay, so turkey burger can be pretty bland, so I do some things to sort of spice it up a little bit. Right here I have about a pound of turkey meat, ground turkey. I'm gonna make 2 burgers out of this, and so I have a little unique thing that I do. I put in my turkey burger some tomato, diced tomato inside the burger. I also put diced onion inside the burger. So you guys know where I'm going with this, right? If you just have some pico de gallo in your refrigerator, you can use that. But I kind of like to just do it fresh. So I'm going to put some cilantro because that's how we do it in California, right? I'm also gonna season it up. Turkey burger needs quite a bit of salt. And I'm going to use my favorite fajita seasoning. Fajita is a California spice, and that's pretty much what we live off of, is fajita, right? So I'm just gonna put some in here. That's just a couple of tomato. I might add a little bit more as we go along. I have a whole chopped onion, but you probably won't use that amount. And I have 1 bunch of cilantro. And we're just gonna go for it, right? If during this I sort of feel like I want a little bit more of something, we will do that. So let's go for it. Woo! Oh, it smells good. The cilantro and the fajita seasoning just rock it, right? So I'm gonna take my glove off here really quick and poof, right? And I want a little bit more tomato, because I love this in my turkey burger. A little bit more onion. Love that in my turkey burger. A little bit more cilantro. And now that I had this meat turned around a little bit, I'm gonna put a little bit more salt and right. And we're just gonna go ahead and massage that through. Wow, the cilantro. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro. Just leave that out if you don't like it. So we're gonna do something a little weird here. And I need another glove, just to spare my fingernails the horror of having to do that. So let's see here. What I'm gonna do is, I have this ring, and one of the things I want to use this ring for is I just want a nice round burger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my burger in this ring, and it's gonna form my patty. Just like that. See that? That is awesome. I don't know what the size of this ring is, but just get a ring the size of your bun, right? And go like that. Fill this up. You can get a burger press, but actually these work better. And you could actually use these things for other things, like a biscuit cutter. Take a little bit of that off of there. Got a little on the crazy side. And I'm just gonna flatten that out and lift her up. Bam. Look at that. Ooh, isn't that pretty, boo? And my lovely assistant got me another plate here. So we're gonna fill this up. Woo! Yeah, boy. I gotta level that off. I went a little crazy again with that. So flatten it out just like this. Clean it up around the edge. And you got yourself a burger, baby. Woohoo! Right? So let's get to cooking. We're cooking burgers, right? So we got our griddler. I have it heated up to sort of a medium high. This thing doesn't give you a lot of heat, so I'm giving it a lot, right? I have it on the grill side. I'm just gonna lightly put a little bit of olive oil on here, only because my turkey burger is pretty lean. And yeah. So we have our turkey burgers right here. I'm gonna go ahead and salt the outside a little bit and fajita seasoning the outside just to give us a little bit of flavor on the bite, right? That's gonna come in, the seasoning on the outside is gonna come in on your tongue when you first bite it. So let's see if Amy can get these off this plate and onto the griddler. Burger 1 up. Burger 2 up. Bam! Woo! These are big suckers. We're gonna give it a little S and a little fajita. You can use your favorite blend on this. I'm actually going to turn this up because, like I said, one of the typical problems with the griddler is you don't get a lot of heat out of it. So let's go ahead, float the hinge, and take her down. And we're going to cook these because the griddler cooks on both sides simultaneously. We're going to cook these to, I like them cooked like 175. You can cook them to your desired temperature. Just make sure that they're food safe. So as soon as these babies are done, we'll be right back. Okay, that was really fast. These babies are like 180, which that's how I like them because I like to make sure they're 100% done. Wow, look at that. Sweet! And it was fast. So let me tent these and we'll get our buns ready. Guys, we have a serious turkey burger on our hands right here. So my lovely assistant toasted a bun up for me. This is a fresh baked bun. Use the bun that you like. I'm gonna tell you, when you're building a burger, either make homemade buns or go to your bakery and buy some because it makes totally the difference. Just use your favorite. So we are going to use my favorite Chipotle Mayonnaise. I'll put a link down in the description how you can make this. I did a video a while back. This is my absolute favorite. I just make up a mason jar like this and I have it in the refrigerator. It's delicious and it is a key component of a California burger, at least to me. So we're going to go ahead and give us a generous amount. Generous. Top and bottom. Some people only like to do the bottom, but that's not how we do it around here. We love mayonnaise and we love it Chipotle style, right? Okay, so we got a lot going on here. So we got our burgers, freshly cooked off the griddler. Oh my gosh, they look so good. So good. And you can do these on the grill. The griddler did a great job. So we're gonna put our burger, it's perfectly shaped for the bun. Look at that. Get yourself a ring to make your bun. You don't really need a press, just get a ring, something that you can make biscuits out of and all that stuff. Find your favorite burger and get one the size, your favorite burger bun, and get you one the size of your bun. Look at how perfect that sits on there. Look at that. So what else you guys want to put on here? Bacon, right? We got some bacon. I cooked this in the oven. I always cook my bacon in the oven on a sheet pan. I'll put a link down in the description. The last time I made this, I made it sort of a maple brown sugar bacon. We didn't do that this time. We just made straight up bacon, but, right? I say we have tomato in the burger. We got tomato on the burger. That's how we do it, right? So there's one ingredient that always goes on a California burger, and that is avocado. There's no California burger without avocado. That's a must. If you forget the avocado, the police might show up at your house to arrest you, right? I have a little mixed lettuces here. Looking pretty good, right? Eric says less lettuce, more everything else. I like the lettuce. Look at how that's looking, guys. Look at how that's looking. Now we're going to give her a top. Wow. Wow. And we're going to give us a little side dish of some tater chips. Yum. You can have these with fries. You can have this with the nice, some of those potato wedges that we made in the air fryer. That would be delicious. Wow. So it's time to take a taste on this beauty. Look at that. Look at that. Time to take a taste. Okay, so we have an absolute fabulous turkey burger. Look at this thing. What we did is we started with our turkey. We put tomatoes, onions, cilantro inside the meat, salt and fajita seasoning to your taste. We cooked it on the griddler. You can cook it just on a skillet on your cooktop, or you can cook it on the grill. Awesome both ways, probably preferably on the grill, but it's a little humid today and it's raining, so, right? We decided to do it on the griddler. Lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, bacon, cooked in the oven. I'll put links in the description for the bacon and the Chipotle mayo. We put it on a fresh baked bun. This bun, I didn't bake it. It came from our club store. Just make sure you either bake your own or you buy your favorite burger bun. I really like these. They're baked in the store that I go to. I prefer that over just the buns on the aisle because they tend to be, well, not that great. So, first up, potato chip. That's a good start. Second up, turkey burger. Holy cow, look at this bad boy. Woohoo! Look at that. One thing that really helped this is using that ring to make your burger. Bam! Kept the shape of it. Just get a ring that's the size of your bun. Go for it, right? Let's see what we got here. Wow, this looks fantastic. Mm. 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 Everything about this turkey burger is fantastic. I can taste the cilantro. I can taste everything. The bacon, the avocado. It's so, so delicious. A little spice on the Chipotle mayonnaise. Wow. Mm. Let me tell you guys, there is no place, there is no restaurant that you can go to that will make a turkey burger that tastes this good. I have yet to find one. And I eat turkey burgers everywhere I go because I like turkey burgers better than beef. That's my personal preference. And this turkey burger is absolutely fantastic. The cilantro is great in there. The real Chipotle mayonnaise is great in there. Mm.
That's real avos, ain't a fake guacamole.
That's a real avocado. Mm. 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 That turkey burger is outstanding. I love it. Mm. A little spice afterwards from that Chipotle mayonnaise. Try this. You will love it. My favorite California turkey burger. It'll blow you away. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. Facebook, my Facebook group is Amy Learns to Cook, so it's facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. Come in and join the group. We have a lot of great conversation about kitchen gadgets and appliances and food and all kinds of stuff. Just want to share a quick shout out to my Facebook group. Guys, we have a great time and I really appreciate you being in the group and participating. You can also find me on Instagram at Cooking with Amy. Mm. That's delicious.